Today we're going to be demonstrating live fire with a 308 180 grain round into the IWSP rifle only pad. Again, like the other weapon platform systems, you place the muzzle on the hanging bracket with the muzzle pointed directly at the ballistic pad. The weapon is safe. The round's being placed in and locked down, and now we're ready for live fire. So again, live fire exercise on the IWSP rifle only pad using a Remington 700 and a 308 caliber, using a 180 grain full metal jacket round. Weapons pointed into the safety ballistic pad, and live fire is ready to commence. 3, 2, 1. Weapons unloaded, placed on safe. As you can see, in the event of an accidental discharge with the 308 caliber rifle, the projectile was trapped in the IWSP rifle only pad. There is a slight dent in the metal backing. However, it did not penetrate the pad itself. Once again, there's no personal injury or property damage as a result of this accidental discharge.